In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members and assign roles in your workspace. First, open your workspace and look to the left side of your screen. Find the section labeled My Team and click it. This is your central hub for managing who has access to your organization and what they can do. If you're not seeing it, make sure you're in the right workspace or that you have permission to manage team settings. Once you're on the My Team page, move your attention to the upper right corner. You'll see an invite dropdown. Click that. This opens the invitation panel where you'll set up the new team member's details before sending them an invite. Here, you'll choose the role for the person you're inviting. You can select admin, manager, employee, contractor, or accountant. Pick the role that matches the level of access they truly need. As a quick guide, admins generally manage settings and people. Managers often oversee teams and approval workflows. Employees typically have standard access for day-to-day tasks. Contractors usually need limited, project-based access, and accountants often need financial or reporting permissions without broader administrative control. Choosing the right role up front helps keep your workspace secure and organized. After you select the role, enter the person's first name and last name. Use the name they'll recognize in the system to make approvals and assignments clear. Next, add their email address carefully. Double check for typos, and make sure you have permission to use that email. If they're a contractor, it's common to use their external email address. Just be sure it's one they actively monitor. With the basics filled in, review everything one more time. Confirm the role, confirm the spelling of the name, and confirm the email. When you're confident it's accurate, click Continue. This moves the process forward and prepares the invitation based on the information you've provided. If your organization has approval rules or additional settings, you may see them next. Otherwise, the system will proceed using the details you entered. That's all there is to it. Click on My Team on the left, open the invite dropdown in the upper right, choose the appropriate role, enter the first and last name, add the email address, and then click Continue. If you're adding multiple people, simply repeat the same steps for each person, keeping roles consistent with their responsibilities. A few moments of care here can save a lot of confusion later. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready